Name of the kata. Good. Hajime. Good job, man. Alright. On behalf of the U.S. Eastern Waterloo Karate Federation, myself, as the president of Nashville, Tennessee, I'm going to award you with your first stripe ever in the martial arts. In our style, I'm very proud to have you here, okay? Hope you stay around and make you a black belt, alright? I want you to be my black belts, alright? Hand me that side of your belt. One step closer to getting your gold belt, okay? All right, hey, right here. Great. Thank you. Appreciate it. All right.